Ask a free car question at 2carpros.com. Hello and welcome to 2Car Pros. Today we're going to show you how to replace the air filter for a Saturn Vue between the years of 2002 and 2007. Let's jump right in. The first thing we need to do is unbolt the airbox. With the airbox out of the way, we can then remove the air filter. Next, we need to compare our old air filter to our new one to make sure that they're identical, and then replace the air filter. Next, we need to replace the airbox. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please visit 2carpros.com.